In order to make a video using iMovie, you open the iMovie app, click on the plus sign, and we're going to create a movie. It will open up and give me the option of choosing my photos that I have on my camera. So I'm going to select the photos that I would like to include in my movie. And I've got those checked. So I'm going to go back to media and I'm going to create a movie. It will put all of the pictures that I had in here. If I wanted to put some text over one of the the pictures, I'm going to click on the picture itself down at the bottom. I'm going to click on the little T down at the bottom of the right of the screen, and I'm going to choose how I would like my text to look. I'm going to choose this one, and up at the top I'm going to type in Granbury ISD. And then I'm going to click on title text here. I'm going to type technology department. And done. Now if I go back to the beginning, I can click play and see what that's going to look like. And I like the way that looks. Now I have got little places between the pictures that I can choose a transition, and I can go, if I want it to slide from one picture to the other, it would look like this. That looks okay. I'm going to choose another transition here. I'm going to choose fade. That's good. If you want to put some kind of effect on a picture, down at the bottom, if you will click on that picture, then if you wanted to trim that, you can click the trim and it will let you shorten or lengthen how long the picture is going to show up. If you click on the little circles down in the bottom right, it will give you some filters that you can choose. So I have that bluish filter on this picture. I'm going to watch this. You can insert pictures or videos. I'm watching at the top what it's going to look like. I put some of the pictures of the great pumpkins at Bronner on there, and you can see how the picture it's kind of scanning from the top to the bottom of the picture. That is an effect, a Ken Burns effect, which makes it kind of look like a video instead of just a picture. If you have a question about how to do something, up at the top right, the little question mark will let you have some hints. The little plus sign is add media. If there's a little back arrow that's tapped to undo, you can click on learn more and it will give you a longer tutorial. Once you get your video exactly like you want it, you'll click on done, and then down to watch the video, you can click on the little play button down at the bottom left. If you want to save it to your camera roll, you'll click on this share button. And one of the choices is save video, and you can save the video to that camera roll, and that's probably the best way for you to do that. And then you can choose what export size. I'd probably go with the 720 or the HD 1080. I'm going to go with the 720, and it's going to export the movie. I should have named my movie, but for right now it will be named My Movie 1. I'm going to let it finish exporting, copying it to my library, and it tells me where it's going to be. I'm going to say OK, and then I'm going to go back, go to my photos, and in my photo, my camera roll is my video that I made. You could turn the sound up or down as you're making the video. And you can see I just took some pictures around our technology department. That one, remember, we put the kind of bluish filter on. And you can see how it's kind of panning across the pictures. There are some of the great pumpkins at Bronner. And you can see how it's kind of fading from one picture to another. That's the transitions that we put in there. And the end. So you have quickly made a movie with iMovie from the pictures on the iPad or iPhone that you're working with.